In this video, I'll show you how you can play Warframe Mobile using an Xbox controller. Now first things first, you have to connect the Xbox controller to your mobile device. Now all you have to do is put the Xbox controller into pairing mode and then connect it to your device. So for this controller, all I have to do is press this button, press and hold until it starts blinking rapidly. And then once you have done that, all I have to do is access the Bluetooth settings. So simply go to settings on your phone and access Bluetooth and select Bluetooth. And then from here, scroll down and your device will start scanning for any available devices. Now, once the controller has been detected, simply tap on it and then allow the pairing process. And you might see this prompt, pair with that particular controller. Simply select pair. And it will now successfully pair with the Xbox controller. Now, once you have paired with the controller, all you have to do is go back to your game. And now you can use your controller to play Warframe. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.